What it do, Princess Absolute gang? It's your girl, Princess Absolute, and we back with another mother freaking video. So, before we do anything, go ahead and subscribe. Like this video. Like it now. Go ahead and turn on your post notification bell. Make sure you share with your auntie, uncle, your cousin, your sister, your brother, your nephew, your baby nephew, your great grandmother, your great auntie, uncle, whoever else. Go ahead and share. Because it's me, moi, your girl, Princess Absolute. So like I said, do all that. Make sure you like, subscribe, comment down below. Do all that good stuff, okay? So make sure y'all keep hydrated with some, water. So today we're going to be doing something a little different. Now don't mind these bumps and don't mind it. My skin is going through its stages. It's just been hard. I don't know if it's stress. I don't know what it is. It's just been hard. So right now I'm doing a hood store mukbang. Yeah, you heard it. A hood store mukbang. So your girl got a beef patty. Now y'all remember back in the day, beef patty was only $1. With cheese with $1.25. Now these bad babies come equipped with a high amount. $2. $2. Now this one is a little different. This is mild. I normally get the spicy one, but this is mild. And it comes with Cheez-It sauce, or whatever it's that cheesy stuff in the middle. So, this one is a bit different. I believe that's what they put in this one. Yeah, there we go. They put a little cheese sauce in it. Normally it's a little more cheesier. But my corner store, my hood store, closes around 4:30 in the afternoon. So, this was like the last one. They fry theirs, deep fry them. Y'all see all that cheese oozing out? Now, what I also have is soda. I don't know if they just sell them, because I live in a Hispanic area. So I don't know if they only sell those around here. We have Pepsi. My cup of ice. But what I'm going to do, I'm going to crack this bad baby open. I'm going to crack this grape soda. This is one of my favorite sodas. You know, I love me some pineapple soda, Pepsi, Mountain Dew, grape. But here, woo, amazing. And I'm really hooked on this brand, you guys. It's mainly this brand. Shove my straw in. Stir it. Now, I only like soda with ice, you guys. And I only like to drink it with this straw. Not this straw in particular, but with a straw. Take another bite for you guys. Now, I also have these popcorn. So I'm going to open up for you. Now, comment down below if you were one of those kids who mix all different kind of chips in one bag and shake it up. That was our thing that we did as a family growing up. My mom used to take a bunch of chips, just empty in there, onion rings, barbecue dipsy doodles, regular dipsy doodles, cheese doodles, soaked cheese doodles, everything. And we add them up. Salt and vinegar chips, barbecue chips, plain chips. Back then it wasn't really so much Doritos, but we did have like corn chips and stuff. Now I also have this bag right here. I opened it upside down, but it's the Utes. Let me see. It's about to be hood, right? I also have these Utes party mix. Now they have a brand. I don't know what's called. I don't know anything. But the brand the chips I buy, it's a party mix that I buy at my job gift shop, and it's amazing. It's amazing. I'm gonna pour that there. Now, my favorite way to eat these are, I eat my cheese doodles with my pretzels. Love. My favorite chip out of the mix is the barbecue corn chips. It does something to me. Now, I'm sorry, I'm reading the text. What I also do is, I'm sorry, you guys. I'm trying to eat and talk at the same time, and I can't do it. Now, I'm also going to do something a little different right now. Now, I've been a member of Buzz Agent for a while. 2 years now. Now, if you follow me on my social media, which is PrincessAbsolute, you'll see that on my Instagram page, I'm always uploading stuff. Always. So you always see me on Instagram. I don't really post on Facebook so much, but my Twitter and my Instagram, I'm always posting items up there. So this is the card from Buzz Agent, and they sent me a Buzz kit, which contains the Cliff Builder Protein Bar. Now, this thing is amazing because it's packed with 20 grams. 20 grams. That's pretty good. This is only 20 grams, you guys. It's packed with 20 grams. You can't beat that. 20. This is packed with 20 grams of protein, you guys. You can't beat this. You can't beat it. Well, we're going to do a tester. I haven't tried these bars yet. If I can get it open. One thing is, it's sealed very tight. Okay. This is how it looks. Pretty good. It has like a mint taste to it though. Oh, it's called chocolate mint, that's why. It's pretty good. Now I also have another product that they sent me. Different company. This company is called Nature's Inspired Botanics, and it say the power of plants, and it was established in 1995. And this is the Simply Calming, the Simply Calm with cannabis seed oil. It's a hydrating overnight mask for stressed skin. This is it. Now I will be using this, so won't you guys go check it out also? And I will be posting up an update on how my skin took to it. And a friend of mine also told me to try another product, which I'm going to be doing a comparison between this product and another product. And I don't want to give it away though. And I'm going to shout her out in it because I love when you guys comment on my posts and y'all see how I'm trying to do stuff, and y'all be like, girl, try this for your skin. Try this. And your girl went out and bought it. And I'm going to try it. But I'm just not going to give it away. Right? But, as always, I love you guys. Mwah! I love you guys. I really do. Your girl, yes, I'm struggling to get these subscribers. But I will get them. Now, my watch time is high. But my subscriber count is low. I don't know. What's going on? This girl have over 3,000 watch time hours. But your girl only have about 160 to 165 subscribers. Go ahead. Promote me. Tell your friends, family, whoever. Follow me. The more subscribers, the more I will post. The more stuff I will do. Go ahead. I love you guys. And I'm going to end this video. Because I'm going to dog this thing. I don't know. Dog it. Okay? All right now. Bye.